Now that we've uploaded WordPress, let's go ahead and install it. Open up your web browser and go to your website. Select your language and press Continue. Have a quick read and press the Let's Go button. Here we need to enter our database name, the database username, and the database password. Let's go and set up a database. Go to your cPanel as we discussed in the previous videos. I'm going to do this by opening a new tab. Once you've logged in, scroll down and click on MySQL Databases. Enter the database name you would like to use. I recommend that you use a name that if you have multiple websites, you will be able to know which database belongs to which website. Once you've entered your database name, click on Create Database. Once you see this page, it means your database has been created. Click on Go Back. In the area below, you will be able to see your database. Now we need to make a user for that specific database. Scroll down to where it says Add a new user and type in a username. I usually use the same name as the database. Enter a strong password or click on Password Generator to have a password generated for you. If everything was okay, you will see this page. Click on the Go Back button. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and under Users, you will be able to see the user that you just created. Now we need to add the user to the database. Select the user and then select the database and click on Add. Tick the All Privileges box and click on Make Changes. You should then get a message saying that your changes were successful. Now let's go back to your WordPress setup. Type in the database name you just created. Type in the username. And then type in the password. Leave the two boxes below as they are and click on Submit. If everything was okay, it will give you a button to run the installation. Click on the button. Now this is where we configure WordPress. Type in your site's title and then type in a username and password that you would like to use to log into your WordPress website. You will also need to provide your email so you can get important notifications related to your website, and you will also be able to reset your password if you forget it. Once you've done that, click on Install. Once WordPress is finished installing, you will see this page. Click on the Login button and enter your username and password. You can also tick Remember Me if you don't want to always type it in. Click on Login, and voila! Welcome to the back end of your WordPress website. Now, if you log out and go to your website's URL address, you will be able to see your current website. To access the back end of your website, simply just type /wp-admin at the end of your URL address and log in. Another way to see your website is by clicking on your website's title, which is located at the top left-hand side.